36 District Court is back in session with Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. I'm going to reiterate one time, do not leave the camera. Please, cease from all noise, background. Turn off your fan, Mr. or heater, Mr. Davis Johnson. When your name is called, listen, when your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
Yeah, I hear you. I don't have no.
Hold on, Mr. DeAndre Davis. I'm gonna call your case really quickly, okay? This is
Yes, ma'am.
DeAndre Davis Johnson, ticket number 217-422-431. No insurance misdemeanor. Please say your name for the record. Starting with
P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Sir, can you state your name for the record?
DeAndre Davis Johnson.
Judge, we were moving to dismiss. As an officer of the court, I saw the insurance. We'd ask to dismiss for valid documentation.
You stipulate the proper cause, Mr. Warbling?
Yes, we do, Judge.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, what's Willie Daniels doing? Mr. Daniels? What are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
What are you doing? Oh, Mr. Griffin's here. All right. We can call that. This is the People versus Willie Daniels, ticket number SP 1263704, count 1, improper and valid license. Ticket number SP 128874771, no operator's license in possession. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number 2139763, count 1, driver license suspended. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your full name for the record.
Willie Jaleel Dames.
Try to get your full face in the camera, sir, if you can. Okay. So, Your Honor, it's my understanding, I did speak with my client. We talked over different things. He indicated to me he wants to set this matter for a bench trial. He wants to waive his rights to a jury trial.
Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial? You
Yes.
can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set up for a bench trial date for January 27th at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
All right, so you're all set, sir. Have a good holiday.
As well.
Thank you.
It's such a pleasure to see you.
All defendants, please turn on your video.
All right, this is the People versus Angel DeFills, ticket number P1317566, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, and ticket number, one second. Ticket number SP 1616550, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, 21 to 25 miles per hour over posted speed, and count 3, registration and or plate violation, no plate. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your full name for the record.
Angel DeFeast.
Okay, and Ms. Corporal Rule, can you say your name, please?
Yes.
Corporal Rule, 3896, Detroit Police, 6th Precinct.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor, there should be a recommendation that states that my client will be pleading responsible to 2 matters. An amended charge from going 21 to 25 is amended to 6 to 10. And then she'll be pleading as charged responsible to no plates, the civil infraction of no plates.
All right, with that, do you stipulate to the face of the ticket, Mr. Griffin?
Yes, so stipulated.
All right, and so the court will amend, 1 second. The court will amend count 2 to speeding 6 to 10, and then, this is pleaded no place, and then you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay. Just without prejudice, the only thing is that I there's some other tickets that I don't see. Never mind, I got it, okay. So they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. So for the speeding 6 to 10, there is a fine of $135, and then for the no plates, there's a fine of $170. So it's gonna be a total of, I think it's 305. Let me just make sure. Yes, $305. Because this is a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay it. Can you have it paid by January 12th?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have any questions?
Can I pay online?
Say that one more time.
Can I pay everything online?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
All right. You are all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Good holiday.
You as well.
Thank you. All right. We're ready on MC Daniels.
Yes, we're ready.
This is the people versus MC Daniels, ticket number SP 1328039, count 1, leave scene of accident, property damage. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your full name for the record.
MC Daniels Jr.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that as of now, the prosecution has not presented an offer for my client. Well, they did. They said no offer. So no reduced plea offer. He wants to continue his not guilty plea, set this matter for a bench trial, understand that he'll be waiving his right to a jury trial.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Daniels. Use your other hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Does anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
And you understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
Yes.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date for January 27th at 9 o'clock.
I'm sorry, you said January 11th?
January 27th at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Davis Johnson, you're done. You can hang up. What about LaRonda Reynolds and Trey Raines? Are we ready on those?
They just need to, I guess, be pushed out of their rooms. I asked them to leave, but they may need to be pushed out.
Can you go to 16 to tell her to come out, and then can you go to 26 to tell her to come out?
Close the rooms out.
Well, we got the, okay.
Let me see. I'm gonna go back in there and tell them, but
They closed the room, so hold on.
okay. But Your Honor, do you have information for Trey Raines in front of you? It should be, I just want to make sure the plea says impeding.
All defendants, turn on your video. All defendants.
Okay. And then I just need Ms. Horn to update Ms. Reynolds' plea.
Okay,
because she has, oh, Ms. Horn, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, I did receive, she sent me her ID and her registration for Miss
Oh, okay.
Reynolds. So I can forward that to you.
Did you look at it? Did you look at it?
Yeah, I'm looking at it now too. It was issued July 15th, 2022.
Okay. And it's, so it should still be valid, correct?
Yes. Because that's the license. Yeah, she was just issued.
No objection.
Thank you. This is the
Thank
people
you.
versus LaRonda Reynolds, ticket number SP 1300376, count 1. Drove a license not valid or proper license, count 2. No insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant. Ms. Reynolds, please unmute.
And get into the camera, Miss Reynolds.
I'm sorry about that. I was trying to change my daughter.
State your name, please.
LaRonda Reynolds.
Okay, Your Honor, my client presented documentation. I conveyed that information to the prosecutor. I believe there's a motion to dismiss for compliance and presenting valid documentation.
You stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Guys are dismissed without prejudice as Ms. Reynolds has provided valid documentation. You're all set, Ms. Reynolds. Have a good holiday, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, this is the people versus Trey Raines, ticket number P1317930, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, violation of basic speed law, drove unsafe manner. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your full name for the record.
Good morning, Trey Raines.
Your Honor, it's my understanding there's a recommendation. My client wants to avail himself of that recommendation. He'll be pleading responsible to the impeding. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Ticket,
Say it again, Your Honor.
you stipulate to the face of the ticket.
Yes, so stipulated.
All right, and the court will amend count 3 to blockading. You stipulate the proper causes to counts 1 and 2 to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
And dismissed without prejudice, will proceed to sentencing. There's a $175 fine, Mr. Raines, because this is a civil infraction. You have 14 days to pay this. Can you have it paid by January 12th?
Yes, I can do that.
Any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
You're all set. Have a good holiday, sir.
Your Honor, one
You do the
question.
same,
I
thank you.
apologize. One question. There should still be also a show cause on there too. I just want to make sure that he's aware that he still has to pay that also. There may be a fee.
Yes.
Okay, so, okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
I think all that is left is Mr. Ridley. We've got one